I grew up in it was a good home up until I was about 11, and then my parents got divorced, and then when they separated, it's kind of when I rebelled. I started being a bad kid, like sneaking out and doing things I wasn't supposed to do. By the age of 23, I was using drugs and selling drugs. Um, I went to prison, so someone told me about a transitional home in Fort Worth. They were like, you should come over here. They help you. You can get on your feet by yourself. So I took a leap of faith to come out here to Fort Worth on my own, find my own direction. That's what was in my mind. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go out here and I'm gonna do it on my own.
I always felt like one of the problems with a lot of our social services, and believe me, I'm not slamming social services because they are so needed, but there's a set formula. And I was always wondering, could we create something where the person has a say in their own self-sufficiency? And that's how the railroad came about. What the railroad does, we offer the tools, but we also offer listening and counseling. And what does your better life look like? We start off with the food and clothing, which pretty much everything you've seen here. But then we take it a step further. We offer physical fitness classes. We offer finance classes. Teach you how to handle your money. Be friend with your money for a change and make it work for you. And then we even take it further to your mental health and spiritual health. How are you doing? We assess depression. And if we find people that are clinically depressed, then we have the personnel that can help and counsel and point them in the right direction and just get a handle on their life. So when we got the grant, first of all, it was just a blessing. It was a blessing because we've been able to triple the amount of people that we serve every month. We're able to take what we do here mobile, which is awesome for us. We can go anywhere with the food, the clothing, the mental health services. And that's something we weren't able to do if it hadn't been for Texas Health Resources.
I haven't had a license in years because of my drug convictions that I received, and I'm about to take my driving test tomorrow. So I'm about to have my driver license. I got a bank account for the first time ever, a savings account. I'm building my credit. I'm doing things that I should have done a long time ago, but I'm glad that I have that chance now in my life to do that. Good. All right. Working here in this environment and helping people has really helped me grow into the woman that I know I'm supposed to become.